Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
For the red carpet event organized by Story Club FM, and we're here to just appreciate art and artists. And today I'll be hosting with Eunice and Wanga. So stay tuned because we're about to interview a couple of celebrities. They should tell us what inspired their looks, their upcoming projects, current projects, what are they working on. So yeah, stay tuned because it's all things entertainment, arts and artists. And right about now, I'll be joined by Wanga and Vanessa. Come in. Eunice and Wanga. Come in, guys.
Hello.
All right. Thank you. And you guys are looking pretty. All right, guys. So this is Wanga and that's Eunice. What inspired your looks, guys?
What inspired my look? There is a particular fashion, like runway, fashion week. Anoki wore this wedding dress and like she was running across the runway. It was so cool. And I was like, you know what? I think I want to do that. Let me incorporate that in my look. And so that's why we have this bridal look right here. It's giving runaway bride. It's giving I might find my man. Yes. So
wherever he is.
that's that.
And for me, what inspired my outfit was sustainable fashion. So I'm very big on sustainable. And when I thought about it, I didn't want to get a new outfit made from scratch. So I figured I could thrift something, but still make it look red carpet. And that's exactly what I did. So I went sustainable fashion. And the shoes was just, Eunice calls them stripper heels. So I was just like, you know, why not? Why not?
All right, guys. So we're about to interview a couple of celebrities. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere because we're here to give you everything fashion. It's giving Met Gala. It's giving BET Awards outfits and everything fashion.
Ooh, let's go.
All right.
Do we need them? Do we swap?
All right. So yeah, who are we calling in next? Come through.
Emmanuel, Mr.
Right,
Artist,
right.
you look dapper tonight.
In the center.
In the center, come stand in the middle. We need to see you. We need to see you. Give us a twirl. Give us a twirl. Yes. Ah, stunning. So, how are you feeling tonight? Okay. Yeah, and the outfit, what inspired it? It looks good.
I feel like it's more of the classic look, you know,
Yeah.
something different, something
Yeah.
that's never been done in Malawi, so just sort of going something classic.
Okay, you were
Yeah.
feeling different.
Let's feel different.
Okay,
Because
we
this
love
is like
it.
something different that we don't have,
I
so.
think this gives me Jadena classic.
Yeah, it's giving
man.
Jadena.
you know.
Okay, give us a walk as you enter the venue with your classic man walk. Thank you. So that was Emmanuel.
We're supposed to have somebody next. Alina, what do you think?
Aline, who are you thinking? Who are you looking at and you're like, that's the one I want to talk to?
All right. Guy in dreads. Him. Come through. Oh, we have Watasema in the building. We have Watasema.
Okay.
All right. Hi. So what inspired you, look?
My look, a bit of everything, train, drama, me, of course.
So what are you looking forward to tonight?
What do you mean? Like what, apart from fun?
Yeah, apart from fun.
Okay, I'm excited to meet new people, networking, of course the food. I mean,
who doesn't love food?
And to see people's outfits, just to see how people came out and showed out. I'm so excited for that. Yeah.
All right. Anyone you're excited to meet tonight?
Like a person?
Yes.
Not really, to be honest. I'm trying to think. Because I didn't even see the guest list, so I don't even know who's coming. Yes, I'm excited to see you.
Oh, thank you, and I'm excited to see you too.
Of course. Wait, is this live?
Yeah, this is live.
Oh, okay. Hi, guys.
All right, you can leave.
Okay.
Pajamunali ku Talent Factory, yeah?
Yeah. Cool.
Okay, Beautas, right?
Beatus.
Right. All right, so Beautas, first things first, congratulations. You're in Z World right now, yeah?
Yeah, something like that.
Tell us, how was the Talent Factory?
It was an amazing experience. I met people from 6 other different countries. We spent a year together. It was challenging, learning filmmaking, because I like to call myself a graduate of the School of YouTube, meaning that I used to do my filmmaking just from watching and then learning on the job basically, but this experience really helped me to grow as an individual, as an artist, as a storyteller, and meeting these talented people. And it was really challenging because everybody's like crazy talented, they are intelligent, and all those energies together, it was phenomenal. And yeah, and some culture shocks here and there, but I would like to think that I represented Malawi very well. Yeah.
So should we expect any upcoming projects?
Very soon. So prior to going to MTF, I had already shot my first feature film, which will be premiered either January or February. Yeah, it's been in the works for a long time, but I'm willing to release it. People can see it's prior to MTF, but after this, I'm also gonna go there and produce something stronger, something with all the expertise that I got from MTF, and just bring something strong.
All right. So what inspired this look?
I went with the theme. It was black, gold, and white, and I had this jacket. It's an old jacket, and I was like, okay, I don't want to wear the same thing. I just want to zhuzh it up a bit. So DIY, and yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Cool.
What else?
Yeah, that was a beautiful. But yes, Nafe, I'd like to know, what were you having such a fancy chat about?
So he just came back from the Talent Factory, and he was just telling us, how he's gonna produce a project in February. So you guys be on the lookout, because February we have something, Yeah.
That is lovely, but my good girl here, our sustainable queen, I just wanted to ask you, who are you looking forward to seeing tonight?
Pixie, bro, you know this. You know this. I'm a fat Angozo. Angozo is pulling up. I can't promise to not fangirl over Angozo. Like, I'm really, his sound was like the soundtrack of my childhood. Yeah. Like, I remember listening to his old songs and just think, like, this is one of the best. And he writes so beautifully in Chichewa. If I could write like that in Chichewa, you would never hear the end of it.
Nice.
I just heard news that Miracle Chinga is in the building.
Oh wow! Okay. Where is she? Okay. Everybody looks good though. Everybody looks stunning. But yes,
Who you're looking for?
who I'm looking forward to seeing? Myself.
Okay, great.
Because why not? Myself. And yeah, we have to have Miracle Chinga right now. But before we do that, I think Nafi, who is the guest that you're looking forward to seeing tonight?
Who am I looking forward to see? Okay, maybe let me see them coming in. And then I'm gonna be like, okay, that's the person that I was actually looking forward to see.
Nice.
Yeah, but for now, no, I didn't. Who are you looking forward to yourself?
Aside from herself.
Aside from myself, not gonna lie, I'm looking forward to seeing Zilani. I heard from guys Zilani is coming. Also, Miss Culture 2024. Miracle. She looks so good.
Stunning.
You look amazing. Mwachenaro mami. Ndikufuna ndidziwe kuti kodi look imene inspiration yake yachokera pati.
Okay, ine ndi designer. Nde chiyonse chimene mavana manga design deka. Yeah. Like all even munyimbo nimavanga design deka. So amanisogera ndi mulangeni telling. So as you can see, Machena.
It was a 360.
No, you look amazing. Nde kunogo mafika, deliberate covered banova. Mwina bali antu atiada mimi you looking forward to interacting with tonight.
Okay. Ndivanga interact ndi aliyense. Komanso kuthokoza aliyense. Kunena kuti ndimakunyadirani. Komanso ka Story Club. We are adalitse for your team. It has never happened kunoko kumalawi. It's the first time. So kutibanga kutirana ife sizopheka kulimba mbiri kulo anthu alusosiyana koma adisankha ife kuti tibwere kunoko tungothokoza kuti abilirize sayamba bwino asisire pompa tizibwera tizichena.
It's really beautiful.
Yeah. Komanso to my fans and everyone here. Thank you so much for the support.
Beautiful, guys. You heard it from her. Chinga says she's just looking forward to interacting with everybody at this first red carpet right here at VICC. And I have to say, she looks stunning. Like she said, the clothing she designed herself, all her outfits she designs herself as well. And like, what's not to love? What's not to love?
Absolutely nothing. She looks amazing. And the vibes are also immaculate. She got on the red carpet, matched the energy, and good vibes all around. Good vibes.
Take it over because I think we might have to run. Some other guests.
All right. Okay, I see Drew. Come through. So this is a host interviewing a host, yeah?
Yeah, and I'm not used to this, I'm used to be the one holding the microphone.
Oh, so should I give you the mic? Do you
Sure.
want to interview
Yes,
me?
yes,
No.
please.
We are not doing that. All right, so tell me, how does it feel being to an event that's appreciating art in general?
It feels amazing. It feels like people notice what we do. Sometimes we just do things, think that nobody else is watching. But now that they're like, okay, Drew, come here as well. We're like, okay, so people know who I am,
Yeah?
Yeah, so and here I can see lots of great talents. So I think this is a chance for us to mingle and talk to each other. Sometimes we don't talk to each other, we just see people on social media, but here we are in person. So this is a very, very important event to be at, yeah.
All right, so what does this mean to the entertainment industry in Malawi?
It means we are growing.
Yes.
Yes, because we just watch these kind of events on TV because it doesn't happen in Malawi. But now that we know, okay, at the end of the year, people from different, I'm looking for a word. Yes. Okay, yeah, like I'm a TV personality, we have musicians, we have people who do art. So it's good to meet and talk to each other, learn about each other. Yeah.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Come through. Hi, how are you? I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing amazing.
All right, we have the one and only beautiful Sophie.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, you look amazing.
You look amazing too, girl. Thank you so much for the compliment. Thank you.
All right, so the red carpet event. Is it giving red carpet?
I feel like it's giving red carpet because it's the first of its kind. As you can see, everything looks like was really planned, and Story Club was really looking forward to have this. Yes.
So what are you looking forward to now?
I'm looking forward to host it in the best way because I'm the MC for tonight inside, but also to have a good time, connect, meet new people, and be able to celebrate Malawian creatives.
Anyone you're excited to see tonight?
Most of them is okay. People from the music industry, the arts industry, the entertainment industry, or the creatives. I'd really love to meet them. This is the first of its kind. So yeah, looking forward to every good event.
All right, girl, stand over there and give us a 360. All right. Thank you. Come through. All right, now I have these two guys. So introduce yourself.
Blessed Citizen. Leroy Kawamba, aka Mr. Arcane.
Are you both musicians?
No.
Creatives. Creatives.
Yes.
So what creative are you into?
Music and film. I'm a content curator, that's film and videography.
All right. So have we seen any of your content before?
Most likely, yeah.
Facebook, YouTube, TikTok.
TikTok, Instagram, TV.
Oh, I mean, so have you shot any music videos?
Not music videos, but documentaries.
Documentaries. Amazing. So are you guys looking forward to tonight?
Well, I want to be stunned because I was promised to see something that I've never seen before.
Okay.
I'm in, so I'm just curious as you are.
And you?
Minus the new faces, and it's just a new talent.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So what talent are we talking about?
I don't know. They said the surprises, so we're here for the surprise.
All right. So what inspired you, look? It looks Nigerianish.
Is it? Yeah. It doesn't look Nigerian. Look at this.
Oh, okay.
There is something else behind.
So what inspired
Yeah. Coming to America 1.
Oh.
Is it coming to? Yes. Yeah. Prince of Zamunda.
All right. And you look?
Michael B. Jordan. They here.
Right. Drops mic. Amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, come through. Hi.
I'm about to join you.
All right. So, can you guys introduce yourselves?
I am Tyler Chikoye. I am a content creator.
Content creator.
Yes.
I am Sarah Dillo. I am an artist and a producer.
Right. So for content creators, what does this mean to you? I mean, we haven't appreciated content creators for a long time in Malawi. How does this mean to you?
It's a very special moment, and we really appreciate it. Speaking up on all content creators in the country. Yeah.
And as a producer, music producer, I suppose. Yeah. How is the music producing industry so far?
We are growing, completely growing, and I love being here, being able to network with artists and different people. This is amazing.
All right. So who are you wearing?
Can I say myself?
Yeah.
Can I say myself? Yeah, because it's custom made. Yeah.
It's custom made.
Yeah.
All right.
Every single thing on your outfit.
I designed it.
You design. All right.
Yeah.
But I think I've seen some celebrity wear this before. Maybe not. But you look amazing.
Inspired the look. At least there has to be inspiration behind it.
Can I say myself though? Because of my name, Sir Odilo. So this had to represent the Sir. You get it.
Okay.
Amazing.
And who are you wearing?
I cannot say myself. Myself. There was no inspo to this. Yes.
All right. That's amazing. All right. I see that guy over there. Him.
And Phil.
Come through.
Let's go.
All right.
So, can I do the honors of introducing these
Oh,
two?
yeah?
These are some of my favorite artists. This is Ray, and he usually performs with Akumutsi Band. And this is Via. And yeah, brilliant artists. You guys had some things going on.
All right, guys. Jetu is coming in the building. Be on the lookout. Jetu is coming. I'm excited to see what she's wearing tonight. So yeah, we're in for some surprises. So be on the lookout. We're here at the Red Carpet event organized by Story Club, AFM. It's giving Met Gala, it's giving BET Awards vibes. It's giving everything and all things fashion, yeah? And we also have Angel Chima coming through. So be on the lookout because she is here and she is waiting. She's waiting to be seen by you guys. All right, guys, like I said, we're here having fun. All right. So I'm also excited to see some of the artists. Trappy Beats will be coming through. We have the likes of Pixie will be here. So I'm just excited to see the fashion diversity that will be happening here. We have Temwa in the building. So I'll be interviewing Temwa in a bit. So yeah, Temwa is here. I hope you must be, like, what is she wearing? What does she have? But she is here. All right, welcome to the show.
Thanks much.
I know, right? And it's giving. It's giving. So, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing Calvin Klein. Yes.
All right, what inspired your look?
With the description of the event, I was just like, let me just keep it a little, diamond. Yeah, a little pearl. Yeah, so.
All right, so what are you looking forward to tonight?
It's a really surprise thing for me because I'm not really sure what they have for us.
Yeah.
So I'm just looking forward to seeing a glamorous night.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. See you inside.
Thank you.
All right, guys. That side. All right, guys. We have Jetu in the building. She is here, and I'm about to interview her. Be on the lookout because Jetu is in the building. Oh yeah, it's giving fashion. It's giving everything nice, everything good. Jetu. You see the poses right there? Inu munga pose joncho inu.
kuswa mamba.
Akunama? Okay. Imani yako. Pano tili ndi Jetu. Jetu ndi MD. Jetu. Muli bwanji?
Ibwino kai.
Aifeso tili bwino. Mwachenatu.
Nachena.
Amena madana ndi Jetu amene batunde
Yeah.
All right. Nde Jetu. Kuno tabula kuzasangalala za mavalidwe anthu oyimba maproducer majani mukumva bwanji?
Zabwino bwino.
Zabwino bwino? Chabwino tiko nani nkatimu nditi?
Tikomo.
Chabwino. Right. We also have Electras in the building. We have Electras coming through.
That was a brilliant interview with Jetu, and she just had a nice chat. And you look at you. You look amazing. You look fantastic. What's your name? Leo.
Yeah.
Great, Leo. So what do you do? Tell us about yourself as an artist.
Fine. Yes. I'm currently working under Zigabe Fashion.
Okay.
Who is also the president of Association of Malawi.
Okay.
So yes, this is the product.
You look great. Did you design this?
But it's all Zigabe.
Okay. Yeah. What inspired the look?
Okay. The look so inspired from that time when we were designing this. It was mainly we are basing it on animals. So this has a butterfly touch on it.
Okay. I think I see it. I see it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So how does it feel? What's this like for you to be here, and what does it mean to you to be at an event like this for artists?
Yes, to be at an event like this, just showing us the power of how the creative industry can transform the country. When you can see how creatives are measuring their businesses and even the fashion industries and everything. It's booming up the fashion industry in Malawi, even globally. Yes.
Amazing. Yeah. Thank you so much. You can head right in. Thank you. And we have a legendary guest with us. I am so excited for this one. Please come through. We are with the amazing Angel Chima. I hope you guys are. I'm very happy to see you.
I'm also very happy to see you.
You look stunning.
Thank you so much.
You look amazing. Are you excited to be here?
Very excited.
Yes.
It's quite exciting to be here. It's a lovely night.
Yeah.
Everybody's bubbly. Everybody's looking all glamorous. And I mean, after we've worked all these years,
yes,
we're here and being treated this way. It's quite a great honor.
Great. We're standing on your shoulders. This is part of your hard work in the industry, and we get to just add to that. And it's amazing that you made yourself available for this night. What are you wearing? You look stunning. What inspired the look?
Oh well, I followed the theme.
Yes.
You said black, red.
Yes.
Or white. So I did a lot of red this year.
Yes.
And obviously my favorite color is white. I always want to look angelic. So today I decided to do black.
Okay. Yeah. And you still managed to make it look angelic in black. That's amazing. Teach me your ways. I'd like to learn your ways.
Oh.
Is there a specific place you got the dress from?
Yes, England. Okay. I have family there.
Oh, nice. Yeah, nice. Lovely.
I just told them what I wanted and they sent it.
And they made sure. Great. It's always amazing when family shows up for you. You look amazing.
Thank you very much.
And I look forward to spending the night with you. I hope you're going to have a great night and enjoy whatever we have in store for you.
Definitely. I'm so excited. So far, I'm already having a fantastic time. And
I'm glad.
Looking forward to the night.
I'm glad.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Angel Chima. If you don't know Angel Chima, I don't know. That's one of the greatest to ever do it in Malawi in the media industry. And I see he's here in the building. Look at you. Yes, strut for us. You look fantastic.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you? You look.
Give me a hug. Thank you. At least somebody tried.
And it was you. Like, yes. I mean, I love that it was actually from your hair and not like from your shoulders.
No.
It looks amazing.
Thank you.
What inspired the look?
It's a durag.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You made a durag look glamorous.
Yes.
That is
okay, so I was watching Drag Race,
yes,
and one of the queens did a train that was like a durag. I don't know if you know Simone, but anyway.
Yes.
I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do that too.
And you did great. It looks good. Who are you wearing? Is a specific designer?
My own brand.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So give us a tour. We want to see it properly so people can get the same thing. Yes. Yes.
I figured he's the only one whose interview I can crash.
Okay. And introduce yourself.
I can crash
You can introduce yourself.
I can crash. Khalil.
He is an amazing rap artist, singer, artist, and in general, also actual illustrator and artist. Yes, Khalil.
He's basically also describing himself. But yeah, I just kind of, I was like, no, now that is an interview I can crash.
Lovely. We're glad you crashed it. Thank you for bringing your energy to it. And so I hope you're looking forward to the rest of the night. What are you looking forward to seeing today?
I'm looking forward to the event, the performances, and also I think there's awards happening
Yes.
as well. That I want to see. I want to see who actually deserves these awards. Who's the team? Also, I'm looking forward to the fashion fails and fashion do's. I mean,
Of course.
who's on the good best dressed list and who's on the they didn't even try list.
Okay, I'm scared.
Yes.
I'm terrified of your
no,
feedback.
I'm happy for it. No, I love it. You're giving me Nubian goddess. Honey.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you for coming through, and enjoy the rest of your evening. And we love your outfit. Give us one more twirl before you head right up.
Do I have?
Of course. Yes, thank you very much. So I see another. Okay. This one you definitely want to see. You look stunning.
Thank you, so do you.
What inspired the look?
Well, the event inspired the look. I wanted to bring some dark humor, some rainbow. So I was like, okay, black, and this is the look.
It's giving Wednesday Addams.
Of course.
It's giving Wednesday Addams.
I was definitely going for that.
And you did it successfully.
Thank you.
You look lovely tonight. Is there anyone specific you would like to see tonight? Are you excited to see a specific celebrity?
I'm excited to see Jetu.
Yes.
I mean, she reminds me of my grandma, and she's like my spirit animal. So
Yes.
I'm really excited to meet her, see her, take a picture. So please don't deny me Jetu of a picture.
Nafe did a great job with an interview with her. You missed it, but she had a very lovely chat.
Oh my God.
So if you head right in, you will meet Jetu right inside.
Thank you.
You look amazing and have a lovely evening.
Thank you.
And Nafe is about to come and interview some more people looking stunning. We didn't see your shoes. I need you to lift the dress again so we can see your shoes nicely. Yes! It's giving leg, it's giving nice shoes. You look stunning, ma'am.
You look amazing.
Thank you. So, I think you have some people you want to interview?
Yes.
Definitely.
We actually have the mayor in the building.
Ooh.
The mayor is the guest of honor for tonight. So she is coming through.
Yeah.
And we also have Anne Matumbi right here.
So we're starting with Anne Matumbi.
Yes, we're starting with Anne Matumbi.
I'm going to let you take this one.
Thank you. All right, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you,
So
thank you.
how does it feel attending the first ever red carpet event in Malawi?
Well, I feel honored. Like myself with something nice, something I've been like thinking of. So since this is the first of its kind here in Malawi, I really feel good and feel honored. Sure.
Okay, so now you are a music icon. How is the music industry in Malawi taking shape from when those days the one in a music splash until now? Yeah, are we improving or
Yes, we are improving very, and we are going fast. Now it's better than before because those days, I'm telling you, it wasn't worth it, seeing artists looking like they are from America and having all these events, when one now can sit there and watching Malawians, is this a real Malawians? Yeah, so now things have they are going on well. We have now seen artists performing outside the country. Something beautiful, like urban music now is taking over. Back in the days, like when we were starting it wasn't like that, Urban was like something that people used to say, zamafana ganja chamba yawo ijabuka chitika mwaka. But look now, urban music is taking over. So I can say, no, everything is just cool and everything is just okay. And I am happy that I'm now seeing these things moving like this because that's what we've been fighting for from way back.
All right, it's been lovely having a chat with you. See you inside.
Thank you so much.
All right, and right about now we're about to have a chat with the mayor. She's in the building right now.
I couldn't miss this one. I had to come do this one with you. So chats with the mayor.
Yes.
Are you looking forward to it? What do you have to ask the mayor?
I am. I mean, she's all about improving the structure of Lilongwe City, everything about Lilongwe. So I'm just, I'm curious just to hear what do these awards, this event mean to her? What does that mean for Lilongwe? You know, maybe are we expecting other awards as well, or maybe more red carpet events to do with Lilongwe? You know, stuff like that. So I'm really excited.
I'm excited.
She has to say.
I'm excited to see what she thinks because she's very big on litter. You do not litter in this beautiful city of ours.
But then looking at Lilongwe and Turuwe, makala mukuja nzimbe, kuchoka kaya ku 25 kukafika town kungochiponya vasi. Are we really keeping Malawi clean?
We're not. And I want to see what she has to say about that. About what are we going to have plans of recycling? What are we doing with the litter? Are we going to implement punishment for people? Because people, guys, Nzimbe, Mabeba Lama, Biscuit, everywhere, all over the place.
I'm telling you.
She's not a fan of that. Our mayor likes her city clean, so.
And we also have Nyauyu in the building.
And she looks stunning.
Oh, wow. Give us a 360.
Oh, we love the bow.
Amazing. What inspired this look?
I'm a queen, so this is all royalty.
Yes.
So the beads, it's because, you know, we are traditional people. I'm from Rumpi, so the Madalia Miganda, so you know that. So it's not only about Rumpi people. So this is who we are. So it's like I'm representing two generations, the modern and Antagalegale. So, you know, exactly.
Right. So what does this event mean to you as a content creator?
Well, I think to me, as for now, I feel like we're growing. This is growth. Because this is something other people have been doing. I mean, in Zambia, we've seen how they have Lusaka July. A lot of people have been doing it. Because I don't want to give examples to people in USA. Zambia is just exactly. So they've been doing this. So for us, I feel like this is growth. We are growing and we're getting there.
All right. So what are you looking forward to tonight?
Where's Anjonda, guys? I'm just saying.
And you look the part?
Listen,
you're going to find it.
No, I'm just...
You're going to find it.
I'm just saying, I'm just looking forward to having a great time with fellow artists, creatives, and networking, getting to meet new people. Yeah, that's it.
All right. Thank
Sounds
you.
I don't have a ring. I don't have a ring, guys.
A ring, yeah?
Yes. So yeah, thank you.
All right, so thank you. So you talked about what I am actually looking forward to tonight. I think I'm looking forward to something.
What are you looking forward to, girl?
Teddy and his Naliela.
Okay. Naliela.
Yes.
Oh, and Menace is in the building. Great to see you, Menace. Lovely to see you. You look amazing.
Thank you. So do you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's happy that you're here. What are you looking forward to seeing tonight?
I'm here for surprises. So
okay, you're
I'm
in for a surprise.
going to honor the invitation.
Yes.
And I'm really excited about everything actually.
I know you're a dancer, so I'm looking forward to seeing you on a dance floor at some point.
Oh yes, if we have a dance floor.
I know you're definitely there. What inspired your look?
They said that it's a red carpet event, so
yes.
I thought that I should be in a gala sort of attire. So yeah, just to honor you because you invited
me. We appreciate that.
Yeah.
We appreciate that because you definitely did honor us. You look amazing. You fit the dress code perfectly.
Thank you.
And what does a show like this mean to you, considering we just got off the 10th anniversary of Tumaini Festival, and it's something. Tumaini Festival is practically your baby. You've grown it from the ground, and it's been an amazing thing. What does it mean for you to have a gala like this where we're celebrating artists, celebrating art, and you do the same? You celebrate arts and people together. What does it mean for you to be in a space like this?
For me, first of all, I would say I'm very grateful to be recognized as one of the actors that's contributing the art sector and to be invited in such an event because honestly, most of the times maybe I get more recognitions internationally than in Malawi where I live. So this is really so great to me, and I'm very grateful to the Story Club, and also to just have a radio and a TV that celebrates art only.
Yes.
That's something really that I haven't seen in many spaces. So this is something special in Malawi and maybe on the continent. And to be in such an event with different creatives and different players in the sector, so it's really an honor for me to be here, to connect, to enjoy, and and maybe be inspired by people, because I know that there is so much inspiration around the room, and I'm very looking forward to that.
Great. Thank you so much for coming through, and I hope you have a great night.
Thank you.
Great. You look amazing. So that was Menes Lebloom. He is the founder of Tumaini Festival, and we have another person that you guys would love to see. Pro Voice is in the building. How are you doing?
I'm good. And how are you?
I'm good. Lovely to see you.
Same here.
And
like, are there performances or what? But then I'm excited to be here.
Okay. And you look great. What inspired the outfit?
It said black and gold or something like that. I was like, okay, let me just go like a full black inside and then goldish jacket.
Okay. And you already know Malawians are always keen to see the person that's next to you. I won't mention her name, but you know who we're looking forward to seeing tonight. Did you come with her? I see her, but I don't want to say it for you. So yeah, I mean, she's our in-law for the whole country. Oh, you look amazing. Why are you shy? You look great. So this is our in-law for the country. Lovely to see you. Mula Otsikolose. Lovely to see you. Are you excited to be here?
Yeah, I'm a bit shy, but I'm excited.
Okay, is there any specific artist you're looking forward to seeing? Aside from him, of course.
My favorite. I don't even know who. It's a surprise for me.
That's the point.
What?
Jetu. I'm going to fangirl over Jetu.
She's already inside, so you guys might want to head in and find her. She's sitting in there. Tell her I say hi too. Lovely to have you guys here. You look fantastic. Thank you. So that was Pro Voice and Mula to end again. Every time Nafe walks here, you just see her outfit and her train, and you're just like, wow, yes. I was waiting for the yes, girl, love it. Did you give us a twirl? I don't remember seeing your full outfit. Yes. Listen, in Malawi we have stunning people with talent. Look at you. Who did your makeup? You look amazing.
I did it myself.
You did it yourself? Do you do other people's makeup?
I don't. You know, it's actually, I've been on a 2 years break. And, you know, the event came up. I was like, okay, I can just go bare first. I need to, do some touch-up.
Do a little something.
Yeah.
This does not look like a little something. This looks...
It is a little something.
Girl, you look amazing. Teach me your ways. I want to learn how to do makeup like you.
Find me after the event.
I'm coming. Next event, you see me with makeup like Nafes, and I will have done it by myself. So there's one of my favorite artists in the building, Amabel. She does body positivity for women, and she's standing right there. So let's invite her to the red carpet. And we want to strut. Please, strut for us. We want to see. Yes, girl. In the middle, please.
Okay, I'm here.
You look gorgeous, Amabel. Love the dress.
Thank you.
You're matching with Nafe, actually.
You know.
Yes, black and black.
You know, beautiful women.
Gorgeous girls all around. So, what inspired the look?
I mean, I just wanted to, because you know my art is about like women's sexuality and autonomy and the beauty of the female body. So I was like, you know what, let me not just portray it, let me be it. And so
definitely.
This is the look of like, come on, it's giving. Did she just run away?
Because we are about to have... but
should I
no.
Yeah.
She's taking pictures. So, what does it mean for you as an artist to be invited to something like this?
It's like a really big recognition.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like you put the work in, you're there, you're in the industry, you're working, you're inspiring other people, you're being inspired by other people. So it's like a big, hey, we see you.
Yes.
You know? So it's like, it's great. Thank you so much.
I'm glad you're here.
Yeah.
And you look amazing.
Thank you, and so do you.
Thank you very much.
You already know
Thank you very much. So you can head right in.
Thank you.
Awesome.
I have news.
Yes, tell us.
Guess who is in the building? Guys, Cash Madam is in the building, and the event, the outfit is giving.
She arrived to make a statement.
Oh, guys.
She entered and he was like, okay, somebody understood the assignment tonight.
It's giving.
And
it is giving.
I can't wait to talk to her.
I mean, I just want to know what inspired the look. So question because yo
ufuna ufosa kuti sakumva udenta kuchena ndo ndikubilira
eh kuchena ndi ndikubilira ngati zibambo amavala suit the whole day kulitsuwa
3-piece suit ine ndingakomoki.
I say now we have the mayor.
We have the mayor.
We have the mayor.
We already told you that we were looking forward to seeing the mayor, hearing what she's got to tell us. So please, in the middle, we want to see you center stage.
Welcome to the red carpet event.
Thank you.
So what does this mean for Lilongwe City?
Actually, I always say that I am there to promote the arts and talents that people have, and I'm here to celebrate with them and to tell them that yes, we like what they're doing and we would just like to give them a go ahead and to cheer them to say that okay, this is what Malawi and Lilongwe needs. So I'm happy this is happening in my city and that's why I'm here.
So should we expect maybe any collaborations with the council?
We already collaborate. We always collaborate with people that have got talents, different talents, like arts, yes, and even the content creators we do. And I think today I'm going to hear more from them. And depending on what we are going to hear from them, yeah, sure, we can have some collaborations.
Alright, so ndinzanga edu magambirana za mmene anthu akutayira zinyalala mu Lilongwe City. Kodi mchirido meneyo tinganani kuti Lilongwe uno akhale wa smart, because looking at Blantyre and Lilongwe, they are two different cities. Blantyre is more cleaner than Lilongwe. Not kuti it's perfect, koma Lilongwe is worse. How can we address this issue and come to a final conclusion?
I always say, if you would want to have a clean and green city, it's up to us that my residents are Lilongwe City. So please, let us take care of the waste that we create. Let's not just throw garbage anywhere. Let's find proper space of throwing that garbage. And if also so that's a very good question. And I wasn't expecting it though. Komano, since you have started, we are saying we want a clean and green city. Okay, remember we have a name and shame campaign. Continue to name them and shame them, and also take care of yourself and also for your neighbor.
Do we have any plans of putting together a recycling system? Because we need more waste management. What's the plan with that? Are we going to have a recycling system in place?
Actually, we are going to have so many things. So we have a new landfill, and those are the plans for the city. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ndedunzanga ndona uzaza anthu nditu pala anthu ambiri taona wina akakoneka ngati ngelo at the back there wamona ajina, you know what, this is made on Monday, so we excited.
Join to wafika Watera
ndekuli anthu loti anthu mufuna mucheze nawo ndaba wati kudikira cash madam
to come through
kumabedo wazaluso arts stay in the back, dressed and ready to chat to us. Nde tiambe ndi cash madam the outfit imene and was what is that?
All right. It's giving.
Giving the red carpet vibes.
Yeah. You understood that?
Sure. You know me when it comes to dressing.
Of course, you never disappoint.
I never disappoint. I always give the best beyond the people's expectations. Okay. I got the inspiration from the invite that they sent me. It was well wrapped. It was well packaged. So as you see my dress down there, it's having that like a pastel vibe with the ribbon. Then up here, you know, a parcel, when they send you a parcel, you don't see what's inside. You have to first like unwrap it for you to see what's inside. So that's why you see the upper thing. Yeah.
And what was with the
jacket on top?
Yeah.
No, I got that from that inspo from Rihanna. You know, last time on the red carpet, she had that thing. So I just tweaked it a bit just to look a bit different from what she wore last time. Yeah.
And I were discussing as soon as you said, we were like, this outfit is giving. Wow. But we live in Malawi and it's hot.
It's hot. Okay, you're not wearing black, but are you not feeling cold?
No. When it comes to fashion, there's nothing like hot. There's nothing like expensive.
As long as you look good. Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Hey, you've heard it all.
You've heard it all.
When it comes to fashion, there is nothing like
Don't
it's
hold
too
back.
old. There is nothing like it's expensive. You just have to go for it.
Zang, where's your... We need drama.
Yeah, you know, when we're coming for the next, you know, red carpet event, you know what?
We look number 2.
Fine, I'm coming with the second look very soon.
I'm seeing a lot here. Who are we going to chat to next? Maybe
Joy Natu?
Joy Natu?
Yeah.
Let's Joy Natu. He might take a minute. Whose attention are we going to get first?
All right, come through.
Come through.
It's giving angel vibes.
I'm thinking Silent Night.
Woo.
Do you know the Christmas song?
Woo, woo, woo.
Yes.
Guys, we have the angel. Wow. Wow. First things first, what inspired this gorgeous look?
By the way, I'm Lady Porcupine. I'm a fashion designer.
Okay.
So I've designed all this from head till up to here. The shoes, no, not mine.
I didn't get to see the side. It's giving wow.
I know.
Right, so what are you looking forward to tonight, being a fashion designer?
I'm looking forward to, I want to get more customers tonight. I want to publish myself. That's why I'm well dressed up.
Yes.
And, I cannot wait to meet everybody. Yeah, this is so wonderful. I'm so honored to be here. And, there was one time Story Club called me. They invited me over. I could not believe myself. And they were like, you can dress whosoever you want. But the problem was we're running out of time. I could not make so many outfits for everybody, but I tried to reach whosoever I could. So I feel so wonderful tonight.
So any notable faces that you dressed tonight?
Oh, right now, I need to come down first. Yeah, I'll let you know later.
All right.
Sure.
I'm coming back to you, girl.
Sure.
You can head right back in with the angel wings. Okay, so what? Even has a bow at the back.
Oh my goodness.
Listen, I wish you guys were here to see this.
Wow.
So I see Mac from Zaluso Arts. Mac, may you please pull up? We would like to have a chat with you. You look amazing. You look dapper. Okay. Okay.
I think we're talking.
What inspired the look? What inspired the look?
Black excellence. Yeah, as you can see, it's all black, everything. Just with a touch or a hint of gold here and there. But yeah, that's what it was, black. Yeah. I saw the other colors on the theme and I was like, nah, I'm not doing any other colors. Let's go black. Let's go black.
I mean, you can never go wrong with black.
Yeah, right.
Which is interesting because you're an artist, so I think you would want to just work with all the colors.
Yeah. You see, that's a misconception. Like, people think that because you're an artist, then you have to be too colorful. But sometimes, I want the color to speak in other ways, Yeah, it shouldn't have to be. I shouldn't dress up like my art.
Okay.
Yeah. But let me ask you questions, guys.
Okay.
What inspired your outfits, guys?
I feel like Nadia should take this one. Let's go now.
Guys, honestly, I wasn't inspired by anything. It was just, okay, it's a red carpet event. Let me just, pull out something that looks red carpet-ish. Okay. Yeah, okay. So that was it.
Okay.
Any designers you want to shout out?
Unfortunately, I've forgotten her name, but she is really good. But you know what? When I remember her name, I'm definitely mentioning her name.
Okay, we're waiting for the name. Are you waiting for me to tell you what inspired mine?
Yeah.
What? I mean, mine was sustainable fashion, and the heels were inspired by my all-time favorite girl, Eunice. So Eunice got I grew overnight, and the dress is sustainable fashion. I actually thrifted this because I think fast fashion messes with a lot of human rights. And it's not good for the environment, and I'm strong on sustainable development, so I figured I need to get something that is not fast fashion but still looks good enough for the red carpet. So that's the story behind it.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what fast fashion is, but
fast fashion is Shein, all those things that are made very quickly. They're usually made in sweatshops by children, so it just, morality, it starts to mess with your brain a little.
All right, thank you. See you inside. And we also have Jai Banda in the building. Entertainers Promotion.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, I'm great. How are you?
Hi, good to see you.
Good to see you too. Love that you're here.
Hi.
Yeah, sure. I had to make sure. I had to make sure that I'm here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You're not a very shy person when it comes to your art. So I was expecting drama with the outfit as well.
I'm leaving it for the young generation now. It's people like Chonderai who were supposed to do that. But then I just had to come,
But we still like the shirt. I think the shirt is still giving a little bit of drama. What do you think, Nafe?
It is. I mean,
you like it?
Yeah.
Tuzamadala to Madziwa. Just trying to show that we still exist, after all these years. I mean, seeing that entertainment now is getting, at this level, considering where we've come from, and that some of us, have contributed so much in the industry, to see it getting to this stage, we are delighted.
Most of the things that we're experiencing now in entertainment, we're standing on your shoulders. This is your foundation. There's artists that you've worked so hard to get the entertainment industry where it is, and we just add on top. So it's lovely to have people like you around.
We just have to be there, because there have to be some other guys who have to continue, because if all the old generation are going to be sleeping, because most of my age mates are sleeping now, then there is no future.
All right, thank you. See you inside.
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
All right, I had the Ango. Oh, made on Monday. I was about to ask you what you made on Friday.
Even in the made on Friday.
Even made on Friday.
I don't know the made on Friday. Tamenya yoga freestyle.
Nibaseni word. Let me go.
Like what's
red? Just red.
Red.
Yes.
Okay.
Monday.
I panicked.
No, next time.
Next time. So, are you wearing tonight?
Oh yeah, this is Nyali Sawe. He's a tailor in Blanta. He's a designer. He does some very amazing stuff. So decided to go local.
We love this.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I guess it's standing it's very on brand. I mean, made on Monday, made in Malawi. You did the same thing.
You know what I'm saying? That's what we're trying to do. Trying to keep it here. Trying to keep it local and keep it right there.
We love that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So how does this event mean to you as a person in the art industry?
Someone in the art industry, and an event that is organized and hosted by a radio station is so dear to me. I appreciate all the work that is done by anyone in arts. Any radio station, I appreciate whatever they're doing. And for Story Club, I've seen what work so you guys are doing. They're doing amazing work, and I wish them nothing but the best. Yes.
All right. So we will see you right inside.
Right inside, definitely. Let me go inside and let's get the show started.
All right. So I'm seeing Angozo. Listen,
Angozo.
Out of everybody, I remember I said earlier that if I'm looking forward to seeing someone, it's Angozo. I'm a fan. And I see Jabu is about to come chat to us a little bit. Okay, Jabu, what you got to tell us tonight? Hi.
So, my name is Jabu.
Yes.
I went there to see first what's going on. All I can say is that it's a beautiful event.
Thank you very much.
I'm actually in love with the atmosphere. So this is actually a first in Malawi.
Yes.
What Story Club is actually doing. So I'm actually happy that we're doing something like this, and also people have dressed up. People have showed up.
So did you? You showed up. You dressed up.
Dressed up.
Yes.
Nicely, yeah.
What inspired your outfit?
I was like, you know what? Most of the times I think we meet usually in a shirt or in a work attire. So today I was like, you know what? Let me dress nicely, because the dress code was something, dress nicely, and that's what I was like, you know what? Let me just kill it and dress up in something different.
Is there a specific designer that did your outfit?
Okay. So my outfit is actually a combination of two designers.
Yes.
First, the suit is a Jobeti suit.
Yeah, okay.
Then I had to work with a local designer by the name of Vero Designs, who actually did some amendments to my outfit, like the lines and just some few, so that actually it blends with the theme tonight, actually. So that's what I did.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We'll see you right inside.
Yeah, thank you.
Where are you going? I'm going to say hi to you a little bit, and I'm seeing Angozo in the background. After you, Angozo is coming to chat to us. But lovely to see you, Nathaniel.
Thank you.
You look great.
Thank you.
You look amazing. Thank you. I'm happy that you're here.
I'm happy that I'm here.
What inspired your outfit?
Here.
Okay. So superstar to superstar.
Yeah.
I see how it is.
Yeah.
Naliela.
Oh yeah, Naliela.
How do you go Naliela?
I don't know.
What's that Naliela? What did you do?
That's your blunt.
Someone tenge fire.
Hey, inenegu mangoje.
And the bus is there.
No mangoje ngani phew.
Ungoputana Naliela. Tusayenda.
I'm your blunt.
Komaliza muone next time.
Hi Naliela.
Hi Naliela.
Hi T.
Thank you so much. Be happy you're here. See you inside. Awesome. I'm seeing Ango. Who are we seeing? Okay. You went bold with the colors.
Had to be bold.
Okay.
This is first of its kind, the event, so
Yeah.
to show up.
What inspired it? Look.
Bold, God, strong, colorful. We need to share the story of arts in Malawian fashion. Yeah.
Who's the designer?
I did it myself.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, I'm not a designer, but I was just like, let me pick this and that and try to make an outfit.
And it worked. It
You're
worked.
telling me so, I think it did.
Yes.
Yeah.
Who are you looking forward to seeing tonight?
Connecting with my producer, Kaf
Okay,
B. I'm
yes.
Lassie, so just connecting with fellow artists, fellow guys that are in different spheres, arts, fashion, and see what happens.
Lovely.
Yeah.
We'll see you right inside.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
for being here. So we've got Angozo in the building. I am so excited for this one. So happy to see you here. Hello.
Thank you so
How
much.
are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm lovely. I'm great. I'm happy, ecstatic actually.
I can
So
see that.
yeah, the fit is definitely making sense. It's giving.
Okay. Thank
What inspired the fit?
you. No, just being Angozo. Yeah, just being me.
Just being Angozo. Okay.
I noticed one thing. He's into the, cat fits.
Mafuna nifuse zomwezo. Is it so we are sure that you go to the gym? Was that like the inspiration? We get nothing confused here. You go to the gym. Okay then.
Thank you so much.
Was that the idea?
I'm here with my team. So,
Okay.
hello.
Hello, what's up?
Yeah, you're right.
I'm alright. Happy that you're here.
That's my manager.
Okay.
This is my operations manager.
Okay. Hello.
Road manager there.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the whole team is here.
Oh, amazing.
Very excited to be here.
So, as an artist who has been in the industry for quite a long time, and in my opinion, one of the best writers in Chichewa, because it's not easy to write in Chichewa, but you do it amazing.
No, it's easy. It's easy.
Teach me.
No,
Are you going to offer lessons?
We are from Malawi, It should be easy.
Touche, but I think our education system is too colonized for it to be easy.
No,
We
really.
have a very colonized education system.
If you're not viable, it'll EA, so it's easy.
Ndeja bwino muri phunzise ena. Ena famene zimadikanika fe. Muri basi ma lessons.
Okay. Yeah. Free.
Okay, awesome. So what does it mean for you as an artist to be here for an event like this that recognizes your work?
Okay, first of all, I should thank Story FM for inviting us here. And we are looking forward to see what's going to happen here because this is the first of its kind.
Yeah.
So we just want to see, just want to be surprised. And we're here just to watch and see.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We're happy that you're here.
Thank you so
And
much.
we'll see you inside.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Let's go, guys.
I just saw some drama. You see that?
I see it. I see it.
Guys, it's
people stood on business with outfits.
They understood this, but then I'm just curious. How is she going to sit down? I'm just curious.
I wonder. I'm going to leave this one to you. All
right.
It's going to need space.
All right. Okay. So we're here. Danlu is in the building with his lovely wife, and she is giving. I don't know. It looks, from close up, but we're yet to find out. But that's so creative right there. And if you're looking for an inspiration for the next red carpet, I think you have it. Because it's giving everything made color, It's giving everything red carpet. It is giving. All right. Welcome. All right. What inspired?
Yeah, man, you know, my wife is a fashion designer.
Oh, she is?
Yes. So she's the one who does everything for me these days, yeah.
All right.
Sure, man.
All right. So what are you looking forward to tonight?
Tonight I'm so excited because this is the first time, I think, like all musicians, like all celebrities to be together. So I'm thankful. I can't wait to see my friends. Yeah, man.
All right.
Sure.
Thank you. All right. Your wife is here. Oh, wow. What inspired this look?
I don't know. I think the Met Gala. Yeah.
Anyone from?
No. I wanted something like, you know, something unique, something that you cannot wear in the streets. Yeah. Just like the way they said it. You have to wear something glamour, something you can't wear in the street. That's what I was going for.
All right. I was thinking, this material, did you go over?
Yeah, this is Chukorobacha. This is a mop. My designer was like, I'm going to put a mop. I was like, no, I don't like that. He's like, you're going to wear that. So I was like, okay, that's fine.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, you look amazing. So it's all things dramatic, all things drama, all things elegant. Inungani mukufuna close Chobondela mutakubanga outfit using Chobondela kaya mukatenga ma. So it's never too late for you to do an amazing outfit with the background. I'm very sure you can. You know, when you're inspired, you can do it. Is possible. The you know. So we see Tuno. Tuno will be coming through in a few minutes. Tuno, she just released an EP, The Breeze. How is it? You know, how is it doing on the market? How have the people received the EP so far? Is it making sales or not? So I was just talking about how Tuno just released an album, you know, and we're not supporting the female, you know, artists and stuff like that.
I think you're right.
But
we don't give them the amount of attention that they
think we
deserve.
do, but they just like a little consistency.
Okay, that's true. That's true. And very few of them continuous. They drop music and then they just stop. Oh, but she looks good though. Music aside, she looks good. Do no, please. We want to see.
Drop dead gorgeous.
Stunning.
You just changed? This is your second outfit?
Second look.
But this looks amazing.
Where were you on the first one?
I hear you. But it's
beautiful, guys.
Thank you.
So we were talking about your music.
Yeah.
So you just dropped an album.
Yeah. An extended playlist.
My bad.
It's okay.
So how is it doing? How is it?
It's great. I mean, I've been lazy the past few years, and I just realized that people actually love my music.
Is to give artists an opportunity to monetize their art. So we have programs, for example, on the radio that talk about how you can make money with your art. So it's also there to help artists to monetize their art. It's there to expose artists. And when we talk about artists, we're talking about visual, we're talking about writers, we're talking about all kinds of artists.